Let me turn off this fountain. I want to invite you to a conversation about sustainability in Rancho Penasquitos. I'm Kate with the Community Partners Committee here at the Rancho Penasquitos Town Council, and we are up to good things. We're promoting Think and Buy Local for Rancho Penasquitos. We have mixers monthly, and they're for the community and the local businesses to strengthen our conversation and strengthen our awareness to buy local. We have plenty to offer here in Rancho Penasquitos for restaurants and printing shops and dry cleaners and insurance, and just about everything you could actually want is available here in Penasquitos. So we want to encourage everyone to join the sustainability conversation for PQ. Rancho Penasquitos Town Council has been offering grants and sponsorship programs for the community since 1975. We're dedicated to a safe and vibrant PQ. So help us get the word out about sustainability. Make the pledge. Join us this Thursday, February 11th. We look forward to sharing some chocolate, lively conversation, and expanding our considerations for Think Local and PQ.